Yo guys, welcome to the new video. How to get rid of adverts on these games. Nothing's more annoying than playing a game, completing a level, and then getting an advert. But here is a way to stop those adverts coming. Look how long this advert goes on for. Wouldn't it just be better just to be able to skip the advert or not have adverts at all, in fact? Here, I'm going to show you how not to get your adverts. So first, we're going to kill the app, open up the game again, and we're going to go to Control Center and turn on airplane mode. Very important, turn on airplane mode. Right, we're going to go back to the game, and we're just going to play it as normal. Bang, there's going to be no adverts whatsoever on this game. You're not going to get any adverts whatsoever. None. You heard that right. So, this is how to get rid of the adverts for your games. But this will not work when you're trying to watch an advert to get something for free. This will not work because it is offline. But this is how to get rid of the adverts from your games. Simple, easy. Just to explain that point so you know what I mean, is the adverts that you get to say, watch this advert to get 5,000 free coins. You will not be able to do that with airplane mode on. But what it will do is get rid of the adverts in between levels, which is what you want to do, because they last forever. And the amount of adverts now on those games is a lot. So I'm just going to carry on playing here to prove my point that this does get rid of the adverts. So as you saw before, I've got an advert after each level. Here I'm going to get up to 100% without having an advert. You heard that right. There'll be no adverts whatsoever. You'll be able to complete it from 0 to 100% simply just by putting on airplane mode when you play this game. This will work with a lot of games, not just this game, but the ones with the adverts in between levels, you should put on airplane mode to get rid of those ads. Obviously, this will stop your messages coming through, so you have to be aware of that before you do this method. But if you're not expecting any important phone calls or anything like that, make sure you try out this method, guys, so that you get rid of those adverts, which are very annoying and time consuming. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.